2025 Travel Hacks Japan Edition. Don't bring a clamshell suitcase because your room in Tokyo won't fit it. But a fold-out top-opening suitcase, that's smart. Plus a day pack for all your snacks. Oh, and comfy shoes, because you're gonna walk 5-10 kilometers a day, and those cobblestones ain't gonna walk themselves. Get an onsen, a traditional Japanese bath, but pack a towel because they don't provide them. And don't forget your manners. Remove your shoes at the ryokan, the Japanese inn, and on the train, keep quiet and don't block the doors. Also, no tipping, zero. Just leave your wallet at home. Still want to use cash? ATMs are available in convenience stores, but only for yen. And if you have an iPhone, load up a Suica card on Apple Pay before you go. Rides and konbini, the Japanese convenience store, snacks will be at your fingertips. And the JR Pass, the Japan Rail Pass, only buy it if you're doing a lot of bullet training across regions. Cherry blossom season or autumn foliage are great times to visit, but avoid Golden Week and the scorching summer unless you like crowds, humidity, and bad deals. Winter is great, though. Ski resorts and snow monkeys, aka paradise with fewer tourists. Wi-Fi isn't everywhere, so get pocket Wi-Fi or a local SIM at the airport. Google Translate helps, but locals will appreciate if you try arigato or sumimasen. You'll earn extra smiles, not side eyes. And don't just hit Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. Explore off the beaten path gems like Nagoya, Ise, Shikoku, or rural Hokkaido. Stay in a ryokan, experience the culture, and level up with a tea ceremony or samurai experience. Instagram golden zero tourist crowds if you book off peak. So to recap for 2025, pack smart, stay polite, use tech wisely, travel outside the hot spots, and commit to the culture. That's your insider edge. Drop your favorite Japan memory or hack below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in Japan. Arigato.